Hi, this is Kevin with KGMGM, owner Pro Advertisers Club, a totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com and join for free today and start advertising for free. Okay, I've got a pretty good balance going here. Again, I was able to use the rental cards from yesterday, which they're due to end at any moment because I rented them out just about at this time yesterday, and get the daily quest done, which means I was able to save and accumulate more DEC. So this new strategy of renting is, now I've always been renting out. In fact, that's my number one priority, is renting out, even though it doesn't seem like it anymore. And then building my rental store. But then, you want to build up too. So I've got a balanced thing going pretty good. Now I could have gone up in the gold too by unrenting some cards, but I want to build my DEC up at the same time because I also get extra, free SPS with it. So anyway, let's go claim the daily rewards. I think you get one more chest if you're in Go 2. But I'm naturally going to be up there anyway in not too long. And then I'll be able to rent out even more cards. So let's see what we got going on here today. Some dark energy crystals. There's not very many dark energy crystals. And one card. Okay, not the best chest of the week so far, but I'll take them. All right, so the other thing is things are starting to pop. Let's go look at SPS. Now, again, I don't know if this is temporary and it's going to plummet back down, but it is starting to head a little bit north, and you can see it in my numbers. $104, and I haven't been over $100 ever on my SPS value, because every time I'd get SPS, it was dropping, so it always maintained. I always stayed like about $80. All right, let's go to my rent it to me. These are the ones I rented yesterday. I was able to use again. I made a comment about this guy where he can't shoot in the first position, but he makes a hell of a tank. And of course, he's good further back in the line, but he heals himself so much, and he does so much damage from this. And when I was using this summoner, because he was reflecting everything, he literally could beat everybody himself. Unless I had, like him in the back where he was also sneaking. Just with this, the return, and then the reflect. In fact, I'll show you a battle, a perfect example of that, where he was the only card I had, and I won. Let's go see if I can find that. It was one of my earlier battles. And of course, I'm not going to be able to find it. Okay, here it is. I did have my 0 mana monster in there, but all he did was take a hit, and he was out of there. But let's check this battle out. Yeah, so see, he never fired off a shot. It was all, now in a higher level mana battle, you're like, well, he'd get more attacks and probably won't survive, but I'd also have more cards. But on a low level mana battle, I think at like a 13, because he's 10 and my summoner was 3. So yeah, you can put him in there and they can't get past him. Not in that battle anyway. So that's just something I'm learning about these cards. Is you'd think a tank that can't attack would be worthless, but it's not. So let's go look at Peak Monsters. And here's what I'm renting out. Just these three cards. And they're bringing me 146 a day, which I didn't have to spend. So that's going to accumulate when they rent out later on this afternoon. Um, so yeah, very nice balance going right now. Of course, I'm going to, mess with it and try to make it a little bit better. But eventually I'm going to be able to be up and go to naturally. I'll have 150,000. I've been buying a lot of the maxed out commons, but I think I'm going to buy some legendaries today. There's a legendary I want to max out. They're like $1.50. They're very cheap, and they're not going to be like that forever. And they might not even be now that the prices are starting to come up. So let's go look at my numbers. Okay, 10,000 challenge, not sponsored by Splinterlands. Doing this on my own. Hold on, let me make sure I am recording. Not financial advice. Listen to me, own risk. This is for entertainment purposes only. Please like and subscribe and join any of the links below. Here's the rules I'm going. This is 23rd of May, day 141. That's how many days I've been with Splinterlands. 141 days. That's it. And I had put in about $500 before I started doing the $10 every other day. When I first joined, I bought up 25 packs. So there was $100. I got the gold legendary Ifrit Rising out of it. Ifrit Rising, whatever it's called. And then I did some other stuff with money, but I kept track of it. But I was trying to keep I spent 5 DEC, every little purchase. And all I need to keep track of is the money that I'm personally putting in from the outside. Inside platform money, I don't keep track of that because I do and I don't, but that doesn't count towards my out of pocket because that's all money I earned in the game because I'm trying to turn it into $10,000 asset value. So yesterday I put in the $10. So I'm at 824 out of pocket, and that's a dollar cost averaging, and I'm lucky I did it that way because ever since February 7th, when I started recording, the prices just kept going down, 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 and down. So every day I was getting better and better deals. Where if I had taken that $800 and put it all in right on March, I would have lost 80% of value easily. So the dollar cost averaging works. Now, you don't have to do this. It speeds it up by investing some money, but you just saw me opening up rewards today, even though they weren't that good. Yesterday was real good. I got an epic, couple rares. You can build your asset value that way, but you're going to have to be patient. It's going to take a long time, but it's doable. And I just proved that by showing the rewards. So there was my asset value as of February 7th. Now we go all the way down to March, and it just popped. I had an all-time low not even a week ago. Okay, and now I'm at an all-time high on asset value. 156 cards I own with 5185 in the box. 136,985 DEC. That's a record. It's been a record every day since I started renting out cards. 105 free SPS. That's a record. Today's a record day. So I've got $301 profit after I pay myself back, in addition to 1,112 DEC that helps me get more free SPS, and I'm saving it so I have rental money that I can buy the cards I need depending on the situation. And what I've been doing is waiting every morning for what the quest is going to be, and then that's what I rent. And 3 times now during the season, I haven't had to rent any cards because I could use those same cards. And I have to get up early enough. If I wait too long, they're going to go back into the pile, and I'll have to rent out new cards. So that's I'm enjoying the strategy very much, because I'm having my cake and eat it too, type of thing. Okay. So what else can we talk about real quick, and then I'll that be it for the day. Um, I think tomorrow we got the node drop coming. Let's look at the packs. Packs are dwindling down. We still got 476,000 to go before we can open up or get an airdrop. The airdrop's nice because you can get free. Uh, I got two here, and I never got anything else in any of the airdrops. But they go for the packs you have. For each pack, you get a small percentage chance. So theoretically, you get 129 of these cards. Of course, I didn't get any, but and I got two on this one. There's only 32 packs too that was eligible, and here's 99. You'd think if I was able to get two on this one, I'd get at least one here. But yeah. So and we got every million packs they're going to give us an airdrop. But let's go back and look at that node, which I'm not participating in. It's way out of my. Yeah, 2 more days, and these people will be buying it up. And let's go back and look at how many packs I got. I've got 3 vouchers plus the one on Hive. I got 4 vouchers, and the price of them is skyrocketing because of you need vouchers to buy the nodes. And nothing going on in the special. And land is, see how that pops up and then disappears? I don't know what that means. I can't, it happens too fast and I can't read it. I should probably pause the screen and do it. And my potions are accumulating big time. Let's go over here. I think I got 2 more today. Yeah, 16 and 15. So when I do go back to opening packs, it might be soon if the prices keep going up. It'll be worth opening a pack again. So, oh, and let's look at my affiliate program. Look at this. His rating is up to 218, 176 battles, Ronnie 500. He might be understanding. Now, he did buy a spell book. That was my second spell book out of my affiliate program. So don't be afraid to promote with your URL. You can take it to my site for free and advertise it. I'm on there advertising it, but the more the better, you know. And this is the platform. This is a type of platform that you're like, when more people play, it helps you because what are the people doing every day? They're buying the cards, they're burning them, and they're creating less circulation, more valuable cards. Now it's more powerful for them, not you, but when I burn, I'm helping you out by making your card more rare and more valuable. This is an absolutely amazing platform. They got it. They got the burning, the renting. They got everything going on that the other platforms are trying to do, like Vivi. If anybody's involved in Vivi, they got all that promised, and we're waiting on it. But it's all going on here, and it gets you excited for the possibilities of other platforms. Because if they can do it here, it's going to be done in other ones. And I do believe that this is a platform that's going to be around for a very long time. If not, maybe what can knock it? It is the number one card game right now. It's most of the times it's the number one play to earn game. It might still be. I haven't looked at it lately, but could another card game knock it off? Yeah, but it's going to be like, Yu-Gi-Oh, Pokemon, Dragon Ball Z. There's going to be room. This is one of those that are going to be around with probably Yu-Gi-Oh and Pokemon if they ever get going. I don't know where they're at. I don't know how they missed the ball on this, but they have. They're behind. It's like Walmart getting behind on Amazon. But anyway, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and have a nice day.